Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing for you a really beautiful and cool product. So guys, this item that I got, these vent clips, really beautiful. You'll get to see it in a little bit. They are from Maroma Life. Now Maroma Life is a professional supplier of aroma jewelry brand in the United States. They are committed to providing each customer with the highest quality products at the most reasonable price. They pay close attention to each customer's shopping experience and achieve 100% satisfaction in each transaction, as your satisfaction is their top priority and the key to their success. So guys, I'm really excited because I so love these, and they come in these little cute pouches or drawstring pouches. So this is one of the clips. Really beautiful, and they have all different styles and all different designs, and it comes in a pair. And here is the other style, which is a tree. Really beautiful. This will look so great on your car without even, you know, those Febreze little packs that you would usually stick. These look so much more classy than those Febreze packs. So to use these, okay, so included in your package, you will get these round discs, and you get a couple of them. So you'll get 2 packs with different or a variety of colors. You'll select which 2 you would like. So I'm using pink, and I'm gonna open this like so. Place one of the pads inside. I'm gonna drop a few drops of my oil, whatever oil you want to use, onto the pad. Close, and then do the same for the second one. So guys, to use this, all you have to do is take the clip and push it into that vent, and it's easy like that. And you see how fashionable, and it looks really pretty, and it's not an ISO. So watch again. I'm gonna go into the vent, and that's it. Really beautiful, really stylish, and I really like it. Like one in each one of the vents. I think that would be overdoing it. So if you guys enjoyed this product and you like this product, I think all you ladies are going to like it. Check out to see if they have any that's very masculine, so you can purchase it for your boyfriend's car, your husband's car. So if you guys enjoyed and you like this product, please leave me your comments. All of the information will be down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.